All right, guys, we're back. We're going to answer any comments that came through. And if there aren't a lot of comments, we're going to go on about our day. Hit me with it, Riley.
All righty, we've got a question from Mr. George Dibb. He says, how do you have innovative branding for products that are deemed to be a commodity?
All right, George, I appreciate the question. So you've got a commodity and you want to be innovative, then you have to think about, just ask yourself the question, what makes you different? Your pricing is going to be different. Your delivery is going to be different. What commodity are you selling? The product makeup, the lineup, how you guys are packaging it, the experience that people have, like how fast are you to ship it? Like there has to be something that's different. It doesn't have to be completely out in left field. So I don't want you guys to think that to be innovative in manufacturing, to be different, you have to be like way out in left field. Just look at the space. If it's like you're selling a commodity like plastics, right? Well, your price is your price, right? People are going to shop on price, but what's the delivery? What's the volume you can do? If you're selling a commodity like different types of steel, bar stock for steel, where are you stocking it? Location, like time to ship it, ordering process. Our ordering process, when you're ready to be a customer, our reordering and ordering process is so smooth. It's like Amazon. The delivery is within 2 days because we have 12 locations across the United States, and it's all shipped from one of our facilities, right? We've got our master facility, we have stocking facilities. I could come up with 100 ideas, but you have to look at how are you guys different. If you guys are a Me Too, like METOO, if you're a Me Too shop, meaning somebody says, we do this, and that, you're like, me too. You do not want to be a Me Too shop. There's got to be something that's different. There has to be, not like you're stocking the same material. Okay, you guys all sell the same things, but what's important to the customer? Well, price is going to be important when it comes to commodities. People are going to shop on price, right? Precious metals, watching the stock market, all that stuff. Pricing is important, but experience, ease, delivery, that's also important. But you can't just say, we ship the fastest. Okay, but how? Like walk them through that process. Or what's the ordering experience like? Oh, it's just like Amazon. Okay, make that. We're the Amazon of this commodity. Like you got to figure out something that's different.
Alrighty. Then we got a question from Mr. Drinkwater.
What's up, Tim Drinkwater coming in? Tim took the advice a while ago and started making videos. If you guys want to see somebody, perfect example of who took the advice and started doing it, check out Tim's page or Tim's company page. He's making videos.
He asks, if you're tight on space, how important is the set? Is his green screen okay, or is a real setting better?
No, the set does not matter. Your set could be out on your shop floor. It could be out. It could be at the end of the press at a table. Your set really does not matter. We've had so many sets here. I mean, even this set, right? This is in our studio. We could put 12 TVs linked together behind me and have a whole TV wall. Don't overthink the set. You can do a green screen. We do green screen with some of our clients. We've done green screen with ourselves. It just matters. Like it's more the words that you're saying and what value you're providing than the actual setting. But also want to tell you, when like going back to this being different, right? We've made hundreds of videos. And what we've noticed is that when it's the same set over and over and over and over again, once the market's used to that, in order to be different, you have to change the set. So it could be as simple as flipping your table around the other way. We do it here. I sit where Riley's sitting. We've got the window behind us. We do mic'd up episodes, walking throughout the office, handling issues. We go traveling. That's a different set. That's how we have to be different with our content, so people aren't like, oh, there's Kyle again sitting in the same desk, same table, saying the same thing, wearing the same shirt, talking about boring shit, right? That's what I'm trying to avoid, is people being like, oh, this caught my attention. It's different. So the set really doesn't matter. Like as you can see here, it's just a regular wall. Green screen is fine. And if you're tight on space, it's more about what you're saying, that it's about audio quality and what your message is more than the location of it.
Then we got some nice comments about the Inductotherm video that we played. Mr. Drinkwater says that he loves that we're sharing client videos now during the break, so we'll probably keep doing that. Sai Bhavana Mehta said that the Inductotherm video was engaging. And then she also has a question. She says, what metrics and indicators can manufacturing companies use to measure the success and impact of their innovative branding strategies? That's a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot. So there's only one thing. So initially it's going to be traffic and the vanity metrics, right? So it's going to be I'm getting more people to the site. I'm getting more engagement on social. But really what matters at the end of it is total deals and revenue. So I did all of these things, which then brought attention to my brand, people on the website. So if we break down website, it could be time on site, pages per session, and retention rate. So I brought more people to the site. I just did this for one of our clients. They were like, let's look at year over year. Where are we at with this stuff? Long-term play type of marketing strategy, not a go out and generate leads. It's a long-term play. I said, let's look at the last 2 months over the previous 2 months, last quarter over the previous quarter, second half of last year versus previous when you weren't with us. And looking at the metrics, so traffic is one thing on the website, but really what matters is retention rate and depth. So I got people to the site. Did they stay longer? Did they go to more pages? Eventually, the only thing that you really want to track is conversions to opportunities and then close deals. So you can say, hey, short term, I just want to see the needle move. Like I'm going to be doing this for the next 30 days, 60 days. I just want to see more impressions, more traffic, more whatever. Long term, I want to see more engagement, more time on site, more opportunities, more deals to quote, and then past that, more customers. So you can't just go straight to, I'm going to do this for 30 days. If I don't get customers, I'm going to stop. If I would have had that mindset, we would not be engaging right now because I would have stopped 4 years ago. So you have to start with just attention, focus, vanity metrics of likes, comments, views. How many, if you're doing on LinkedIn, how many people are viewing your personal profile? How many new followers do you have on your company page? How many people are liking or commenting on the post? How many impressions do you get on the post? How many impressions last 28 days versus previous 28 days or last 7 days versus previous 7 days? It's more vanity initially. And then once you go deeper, then it goes into engagement, deeper engagement, opportunities, and then all right, that's all that Riley's got. That's all you guys brought today. So if you guys want to see somebody applying this, I'll do a plug for Tim. You want to see somebody applying it? Tim went outside of his comfort zone, went outside the box, started shooting video content, and he's going all in on it. He's doing it 100% himself with his team, right? He's not like spending $10,000 to hire somebody else to do it. Now he's going to do it consistently, hopefully, and then he's going to see the results to see if it gets attention. And eventually he's going to see if it results in deals. So go check out Tim's profile and check out his company page. For those of you guys that got value out of this content, share it with somebody that you know. If you're not already subscribed, head over to YouTube, type in my name, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. If you guys want to listen to this in podcast format, every single full-length episode goes over the podcast. Just type in Industrial Sales and Marketing with my name. Every major podcast platform, we have it. Stay tuned. This week, Thursday, we're doing Industrial Sales Live at 2:30. Me and Alex are going to talk about that weekly roadmap for salespeople. So be sure to go to my page, look at that event, and subscribe to it. And we will see you on the next one.